This printer is Canon MG3650S. I want to show you how to install the full driver for this printer. You need to go to your laptop start. You can use Google or Microsoft Store. So go to Canon support. Select Canon support in your region. Scroll down. Then select Canon product support. Scroll down and select the printer model, Pixima. Select on the Pixima model. Then this is MG series. Select Pixima MG series. Then it will show you all the MG series available. Look for Canon MG3650S is this printer. Select on it. It will show you the printer. It can be in black or white color. The one we have here is white color. Then scroll down. Then select drivers. Then it will show you MG3600 series, MP driver, Windows. And also if you have different operating system, then you select operating system. It gives you option for you to select specific operating system. So Windows is selected. Windows 11 is selected. Then you select the driver, MG3600 series, MP driver, version 1.04 Windows. Select download. Select download. Then open the file. Canon software, select yes. MP driver. Then you select next. Select your region. Click next. Licensing agreement. Select yes. Printer connection method. This printer is connected via Wi-Fi network. If you connect the printer with a USB, then you need to select USB. So Wi-Fi is selected, then you select next. Searching for the printer on the network. So it's looking for the printer. The printer is found, then you select next. Registering the driver. So it's registering the scanner driver. Setup has been complete. To check the setup result, click View Setup Result. View Setup Result, and it will show you the printer MG3600 series, and it's complete. Then you select Close. Then you select Complete. To see this driver, then you go to Laptop Start, go to Settings, select Printers and Scanners. Then it will show you the printer from the list, MG3600 series. Select on it. You can print a test page. Printer is printing a test page. This is window printer test page. You have correctly installed your Canon MG3600 series on laptop. If you want to scan document, you also have option for you to scan using Quick Menu. So if you select Canon Quick Menu, then put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner. Then close the cover. Then select Scan. Then select PDF. Printer is scanning. Then you select Exit. This is the document we scanned. So this is how to install the driver for this printer, print out the test page, and also scan document. Thank you very much indeed.